how much should you actually spend on a lunch box for men? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, LifeWit Medium Lunch Bag. First up is the LifeWit Medium Lunch Bag. Priced at just $8.99, this insulated lunchbox caught my eye with its sleek design and solid reviews. If you want something that keeps your food fresh without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The thermal insulation keeps food hot or cold for over 4.5 hours. That means if you pack a hot meal, it'll still be warm by lunchtime. The 9L capacity is perfect for lunch essentials like sandwiches and drinks, plus it's made of durable materials that are both leak-proof and waterproof. With 58,900 reviews and a solid 4.6-star rating, it's clearly a popular choice. Now, some people complained about the zipper getting stuck occasionally. Here's the thing though, while that can be annoying, it doesn't affect the overall performance of keeping your food at the right temperature. This is perfect for you if you need an affordable, reliable option for work or picnics. Skip this one if you're looking for something larger or more premium, but for the price, it's a great value. Now, if LifeWit's medium size feels a bit small, the next one might be just right for you. Product number 2, LifeWit Large Lunch Bag. Next, we have the LifeWit Large Lunch Bag. At $23.99, this one ups the ante with a capacity of 15L, allowing you to store up to 24 cans of soda. If you're someone who likes to meal prep or enjoys a variety of snacks, this is a fantastic choice. The thermal insulation here is even better, keeping your food at the right temperature for over 5.5 hours. This is crucial if you want your lunch to still be appetizing by the time you eat it. Plus, the waterproof exterior makes it super easy to clean up spills, which is a blessing for those messy days. With over 58,900 reviews and maintaining that 4.6-star rating, it's not just popular for no reason. Now, some users mentioned that it can feel bulky when fully packed. Here's the thing, while it might take up more space, it compensates with capacity. This is perfect for anyone who needs to pack multiple meals or snacks. Skip it if you prefer something compact. For the features you get, it's definitely worth the investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for portability. Product number 3, HOTOR Insulated Lunch Box. Coming in at a budget-friendly $8.99, the HOTOR Insulated Lunch Box is another fantastic option. Its unique 3-layer insulation system keeps meals at optimal temperatures for up to 7 hours. If you're someone who values temperature control, this could be a game changer. This lunchbox boasts a 4.5-star rating from 6,700 reviews, which is pretty impressive. However, some users mentioned that the zippers can be a bit tricky, but honestly, as long as you're gentle with them, they should be just fine. This is perfect for anyone who needs a reliable lunch box for work or outdoor activities. Skip it if you prefer a more rigid structure. For the price, you're getting a lot of great features. Now, if you want something even more lightweight, check out this next option. Product number 4, Femuar Reusable Lunch Box. Next up is the Femuar Reusable Lunch Box, priced at just $7.99. This one immediately impressed me with its lightweight design and portability. If you're on the go a lot, this is definitely worth considering. The insulated lining keeps your food fresh for over 6 hours, and it has a capacity of 8.7 liters, enough for a satisfying lunch without being bulky. The multiple compartments are great for keeping everything organized, especially if you like to pack snacks along with your main meal. It has a solid 4.5-star rating across 11,800 reviews, which should give you some confidence. Now, some folks pointed out that it might not be as durable as pricier options. Here's the thing though, if you handle it with care, it should last you quite a while. This is perfect for anyone looking for a budget-friendly, lightweight lunch solution. Skip it if you need something super durable or larger in size. Overall, it's an excellent value. Lastly, if you want something that combines functionality with style, you'll want to see this final pick. Product number 5, Lovoo Lunch Box. Lastly, we have the Lovoo Lunch Box, retailing at only $7.59. I found this one to be quite appealing due to its sleek design and decent capacity. If you want something stylish yet functional, this might be your match. While it has a compact design, it can still hold a good amount of food, perfect for daily use. The lightweight nature makes it easy to carry around, and the insulated interior keeps your food fresh. It has a 4.5-star rating with 4,000 reviews, which is a solid showing. However, some users did mention that the insulation isn't as strong as some other options. But honestly, if you're mostly packing sandwiches and snacks, it should work just fine. This is perfect for someone looking for a casual lunch option for work or picnics. Skip it if you need something larger or with superior insulation. For the price, you can't really go wrong. So to quickly compare, the LifeWit Medium Lunch Bag is great for budget-conscious folks. LifeWit's large option is perfect for meal preppers. HOTOR provides excellent insulation. Femuar is lightweight for those who are always on the go, and LoveOO combines style with functionality. Each has its strengths, so consider what works best for your lifestyle.